Quick takeover. All the same things.
अरे तो आप पीछे हो जाओ यार सब लोग यार। अरे यार लेफ्ट साइड
Thank you. Very good afternoon to all of you, and thank you so much for making the time to be here. It's a very proud occasion for us today to welcome you all for this press conference that announces the entire Filmfare Awards calendar for the next year. You'll be very happy to know that we've got a fantastic partnership in place going with Jio, and I think it's the coming together of two iconic brands. One that has been entertaining Indian viewers for the world of Indian cinema for the last many decades, and the other company that is probably the world's fastest growing digital company, and one that is, I'm very sure, going to transform the digital landscape of the country. So this is a partnership that goes just beyond the sponsorship of the awards, and you'll see over the course of the next few minutes the year-long calendar that we've chalked out to entertain Indian movie viewers across the year. But this partnership also goes beyond, like I said, just sponsorship, because it will ensure that we leverage Jio's fast-growing subscriber base, which has already touched a 60 million number, and ensure that short pieces of entertaining content are made available to an audience which otherwise perhaps would have been devoid of this. So many thanks to Jio for partnering with us, and I'm very sure that together we'll set new standards for the Indian entertainment industry. I'd like to also play a short message from our sponsor, Mrs. Neeta Ambani, who's the director of Reliance Industries, who's got a few words to say to us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. But prior commitments have kept me away. I am delighted that Filmfare and Jio have partnered with each other. Jio is just a few months old, but has already captured the nation's imagination with 50 million customers and still growing. Jio is committed to provide Indians with a digital way of life through connectivity and a suite of apps. Entertainment is a key element of this, and it is our continued effort to bring the best of cinema on our Geo platforms: Geo Live, Geo Cinema, Geo Music, Geo TV, and many more. Our partnership with the iconic Filmfare Awards is truly a winning combination. The best of entertainment and the best of digital coming together to give you an experience like never seen before. Powered by Geo, the Filmfare Awards, current and past, will be showcased to our audiences in a variety of unique ways across our platforms. Geo is looking forward to an exciting journey with Filmfare. Thank you, and we'll see you at the awards.
Filmfare is the oldest and most trusted entertainment brand in India. The brand Filmfare, for the last 63 years, has been an entertainment conglomerate. Filmfare Awards are the oldest and most prestigious film awards in India, with their glorious heritage rivaled and compared to Hollywood's Oscars. The biggest stars from Bollywood dance, sing, and enthrall the audience at the show. The southern edition of Filmfare Awards is as old and illustrious as the Hindi Awards. These awards were constituted in 1954 and celebrate all four language industries: Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, and Telugu. Arriving on the shores of Kolkata in 2013, the awards now celebrate the best films and talent from Bengal. Instituted in 2015, the Filmfare Awards Marathi has seen 2 successful editions. Coming soon to the awards stable is the upcoming Punjabi Awards that will make its debut in early 2017. The latest edition, the Filmfare Awards for Short Films, just made its debut.
Congratulating Filmfare for conducting the first ever short film competition.
A short film category is part of their main awards.
Guys, short films, short time, what are you waiting for?
Hopefully one of you will take the Black Lady home.
May I now request Mr. Jitesh Pillai to share a few words.
Hi guys, thank you first of all for your patience and thank you Geo for partnering with us on the Filmfare Awards. It's truly a wonderful association, and thanks to Geo we can have our contents in all mediums, and we go beyond the Filmfare Awards also with our Geo association. So thank you Reliance Geo. It's truly like family, because Geo is family now and I am seated with family. Karan is probably the oldest friend I've had in the industry. I first met him on the sets of Gumrah, and he carries his stardom and celebrityhood very effortlessly. He's an iconic filmmaker, he's a talk show host, he's a producer, and I don't mean to praise him, but the fact is that he carries all of this extremely lightly, because we've seen a lot of filmmakers, old filmmakers who behave like, they've just made 10 commandments and this. So Karan is extremely, seamless, effortless, and at the end of the day, very humble about his achievements. So more power to him, and I really hope he moves from strength to strength. The one on the extreme right is my boss. He signs my checks, so be nice to him. And then of course, so he's family too. And then of course there's Alia Bhatt, who is, the name Alia sort of reduces me to a mush ball. So she is the baby of the family. Alia is, what can I say, she's had a crackerjack year with 3 stunning performances in Kapoor and Sons, Dear Zindagi, and Udta Punjab. So it really has been a triple whammy for Alia. So more power, and I hope you move from strength to strength. So fantastic. And that's it. Thank you again for patronizing Filmfare and for being part of this. Yeah. Also, yeah, before I forget, Karan is, like I said, is family. So it's quite natural that Karan will also be hosting the Filmfare Awards this year. While our little Alia performs yet again, Alia has become mandatory for every Filmfare function. So it's like what they call in Hindi compulsory blind. So no Filmfare without Alia and Karan. So thank you so much for your invaluable contribution. Thank you, guys.